Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers. Today we want to talk about a new smartphone from Oukitel called U23. At first glance, it looks like a flagship device with premium design, powerful hardware, good cameras and even wireless charging. However, the phone is not as good as it seemed. Let's find out why you shouldn't buy Oukitel U23. The first reason why you shouldn't buy Oukitel U23 is design. At the end of 2018, the Chinese manufacturers tried to make the notch above the display smaller or even get rid of it. However, here we can see quite big notch and it looks terrible. Another question, what's the point of this notch? The phone doesn't have 3D face scanner technology for face unlock, and the notch hides only front camera, earpiece and other sensors. It's time to get rid of notches. This is not feature, but a shortcoming. However, we should say that back panel looks pretty good. It has gradient color, so it shimmers in the sun. Also, we are pleased that Oukitel U23 has 6.18-inch Full HD Plus display. Another reason why I don't recommend to buy Oukitel U23 is processor. A new device is powered by Helio P23 chipset and it scores only 64,000 points in AnTuTu. It is quite low result for $230 smartphone. Of course, you will not be able to play latest Android games on high graphics. From other side, the user interface is fast and smooth. Also, the smartphone has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with MicroSD support. Oukitel U23 has 16 and 5 megapixel camera on the back and 8 megapixel front camera. We haven't seen real sample photos yet, because the smartphone hasn't gone on sale, but I don't remember OUKITEL Mobile devices with good cameras. We already tested some Oukitel phones, and all of them have some problems with cameras. In other words, this is not the camera you expect for $230 smartphone. Finally, the last and the main reason why Oukitel U23 is not for you is price. As I already said, this smartphone will be sold at $230. I think it is too high price for this device. For example, Honor Play on flagship chipset Kirin 970 and very good cameras costs only $15 more, $245. Also, you can get Xiaomi Mi 8 II or Redmi Note 6 Pro with much better performance and cameras than Oukitel U23. You can add $50 and get Pokephone F1. So Oukitel U23 could be an interesting device for the beginning of 2018, but at the end of the year it looks very weak. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this smartphone? Write in comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.